So in this video we're going to do part 1 of dimensioning, and in here we're going to set up our dim style, and in the next video we're going to talk about dimensioning rules and actually do some dimensioning. So what I'm referring to on the PDF here is the standards page. This is the page that you went to set up your layers, and if you scroll under the layer section there is dimensioning general guidelines, and there's some information here that's really important that you're going to need to refer to. So set this up so you can see this at the same time as your AutoCAD screen. And here I'm going to go to my dimension style manager. I do that, you can either type in dim style and hit enter, or you can go to your annotate tab and press the down arrow, and that takes you into your dim style. So we want to set the style for the standard layout, not annotative. So we click standard and then we modify. And in this, oh, I think I'm in the, go by layer. I'm in the wrong layer right now. So let's first, before I do that, let's change that. I'll go here, change back to my, I want to dimension in my dimension layer. So I'm in dim, and we'll go back into my dim style. Here we go. So first you'll have your standard, you'll have your first section, which is lines, then the next tab is symbols and arrows, text, fit, primary units, and that's as far as we're going to go. We're not going to really look at alternate units or tolerances. So for lines, first we're going to check over here, and it looks like our first one is dimension line, baseline spacing. So we're going to look on here for something called dimension line spacing or baseline spacing. Right here we have baseline spacing, and it's set to 0.25 inches, and that's what it should be. Now, as I go through this, some of these I've changed already. You're going to have different numbers here, so you're going to have to change them. So baseline spacing should be 0.25 inches. The next thing I'm going to look for is extend beyond dim lines, and that should be 0.125 inches. So extend beyond dim lines, correct, 0.125. The next is offset from origin, and that's right underneath, offset from origin, 0.0625. Arrow size, so there's no arrows on here. We want to go to our next tab, symbols and arrows. Arrow size should be 0.156. And after that, center mark size, so we want center mark, not none. We want it set to center mark, and that also should be 0.156. Text height, so we go to text. Text height here is 0.125. And then next it says text offset from dimension line. So offset from dim line should be 0.0625. The last one says precision, and it says varies with tolerance. So how that works, if we go to fit, primary units, precision, this depends on the assignment. So it's asking you how many zeros or spots after the decimal would you like. How precise is this? Well, in your assignment, you're not given anything. There's no, it's not even 12.0, it's just 12. So what you want to do for precision is you want to match the dimensions given to you in your assignment. So we're just going to change this to nothing after the decimal, no decimal. So just 0 for precision. This is going to change for every assignment that you do. You want to match it. For example, on here I tell you it's 12. I don't tell you it's 12.00. That would be making an assumption of precision that I haven't told you. So be really careful with that. To go with what's given in the assignment. And that's it. That's it for this section. We're going to hit OK and then close. And now all the background stuff is done for your dimensioning, and you're ready to place dimensions on your assignment. This is the end of Dimension Video 1.